Hi, I'm Maria Consuelo Puntilan II, 38 of age, living here in the Philippines. I am undergraduate of nursing course in the University of Northern Philippines. I am happily married to Jim Brian Madampa and had no kid. I had work experience in Hong Kong for 8 years. My duties were prepare the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing the clothes, going to the market, help my work to get dressed for school, sending them to the school, picking them up from the school. I help them also to do their assignment. I played with them so that they will get not bored. I tutored them also. In my previous employer, on my first employer, they had 3 kids aged 9 years old, 7 years old, and 4 years old. While in my second employer, they had 9 years old. I am very considerate, hardworking, kind, disciplined, and cooperative. I am good at taking good care of toddler and kid, and I am also good at cooking Chinese soup and dishes. I want to work in Hong Kong because it is the safest place to work. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.